Hello, mic test. Luna, did you have fun yesterday? What do you think about this microphone?